Hello everyone, I am once again here with more expressions. And today's topic or today's theme for expression is when you are at disagreement with people. जब आप लोगों की राय से सहमत नहीं हैं तब what are the expressions to be used. हमें फाइट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इधर वर्बल और फिजिकल. हमें लड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. We need not to show any sort of violence there. There are expressions that can be formally used to express yourself at some situation when you are at disagreement with people, right? So today we are going to see what how we can express what we can say just to at the situation when we are at disagreement with people. And first of all, first expression is I am not sure about it, right? So you need not to be violent speaking when you are at disagreement. Simply say I am not sure about it. In this way you can show your disagreement with the person you are talking to, with the persons you are talking to. Next in the list is you can be right but so after but you can add something. You can write but I think differently, right? In this way also you can show your disagreement that okay fine, you are favoring the person but you are not completely satisfied or you are not completely agree with the things that was spoken or that was expressed by the person you are talking to. Fine. Next, that is, do you really think? Means lot many things are spoken to you, conveyed to you, and you have to show whether you are agree with the things, you are not agree with the things. So if you wish to show your disagreement, so do you really think what you say is completely correct? In this way you can show your disagreement. Well, this is also one of the formal ways to show your disagreement with people, right? Next, you cannot be serious. It means maybe sometime you find the things ridiculous, you find the things funny, right? And you are not okay with that. आपको ऐसा लगता है कि उस पर्टिकुलर समय पे इसे ऐसी बात नहीं करनी चाहिए थी, right? Maybe you are off with your mood or something like that, and the person speaking to you something that is not at all related to you or not associated with the situation or with the topic and what. So you can use this expression just to show your disagreement that you cannot be serious. Next, that is not how I see to it. That is not how I see to it. Means you are simply speaking to the person that he or she or they are partially right, but you are at disagreement that you wish to add something, you are not okay with some part of the things. So you can use this, that is not how I see to it, how I look to it, how I think, right? And today's last expression, it is an interesting idea. So it may be strange to all of you how it is an interesting idea is a kind of expression that we can use to avoid, we can use to when we are at disagreement. So it is an interesting idea. It means you are not poking your nose in the matter, right? And you are not showing any concern, your full concern about what was said or what was conveyed. So you can express yourself in this situation that yes, that is an interesting idea, right? So it shows that you are at agreement, but if you think deeply with this sentence, you will find that this can also be used at the time of you are at disagreement with people. So for today, that is all from my side, and we'll see you in next session with some other topics. Till then, goodbye.